Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use silica gel for a wet phone. First, act quickly by powering off your device immediately to prevent further damage. Next, carefully remove the SIM card, any memory cards, and the battery if your phone model allows. This helps to expose more areas for drying and reduces the risk of electrical shorts. Finally, gently wipe down the phone's exterior with a soft cloth to remove surface water. After the initial steps, it's crucial to prepare your phone properly. Carefully disassemble any removable parts such as the back cover or protective case to allow air circulation. Remember, never use direct heat sources like hair dryers or ovens, as extreme temperatures can severely damage internal components. Also, resist the urge to shake the phone, as this might push water deeper into sensitive areas. Patience is key here. Now let's introduce the hero, silica gel. Find an airtight container like a zip-top bag or a sealed plastic box. Place your phone inside, ensuring it's completely surrounded by silica gel packets. You'll need a generous amount, ideally at least 200 grams, to effectively absorb the moisture. The more silica gel, the better its drying power. Make sure the container is sealed tightly to prevent external humidity from interfering. Patience is paramount during the drying process. Leave your phone in the silica gel for a minimum of 48 hours, and ideally up to 72 hours, for thorough moisture absorption. Resist the temptation to power it on prematurely, as residual moisture could still cause damage. Once the full drying period has passed, carefully reassemble your phone. Then and only then, attempt to power it on and check for functionality.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.